Hello students, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here in chapter 13, exercise 52, you are asked to graph some constant functions, and they list 5 different constant functions in the directions, and off on the side here, as you see, we have 5 different lines we're going to draw all in the same graph. Now, it might sound a little messy, but one thing that you hopefully have come to understand, these are all constant functions, and they're actually going to be parallel lines. So let's do that first one there for -1, as the constant function, a constant real function. So basically, everything on that line is going to has to pass through the -1 on L2. That is to say, any dot I have along here, and again, I only really need 2 dots, but the second number in the ordered pair has to be -1. And because it's all real numbers, I'm going to keep the arrowheads on the end of it, and that'll look just fine there, just like that. So when I go to do 5, okay, that's going to be a line, nice horizontal line, that passes through 5 on the L2 axis. But this one doesn't stretch forever. Notice it has a domain of 0 to 4. Well, that means I'm going to need to move this one here and move that to a 0. And we will put endpoint included for those. And that looks like a nice clean graph there for that particular line. Again, now remember, if you accidentally drag something, that's fine. I mean, just go ahead and put it right back where it was. You can just drag it to it. If, of course, you ever mess up on one of these dots, so if you go to do -2.5 and you say, "Ooh, I didn't want that there," if you just drag it off screen, it will disappear. Not too big of an issue with this one since you're just doing straight lines and line segments. So there's 2 of those graphs for you. I hope that gets you started and you can figure out how to do the other 3. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash that like button.